Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be learning about eye detection. So now what is eye detection? Eye detection is where the computer detects the eyes. The algorithm, which is Harcasade, is used in many fields, such as facial recognition. It is used in phones to unlock it. Robotics. Robots need to see their surroundings to perform the task using object recognition. Autonomous vehicles. So now they need to require knowledge about their surrounding. And Harcasade can help identify objects such as pedestrians, signals, and traffic lights. Scientific research. It can help you learn more about the human behavior and open up new possibilities. Now, Harcasade algorithm. It is an object detection algorithm used to identify faces in an image or real-time video. Now, this algorithm uses the edges or line detection features. So now the algorithm contains four stages. Har feature selection, which features the face or the object that you're using. Creating integral images means it creates similar images, or if you're working with the face, then it starts to classify it. ARA boost training. This is a training in which Harcasade is already trained to do it and it's detecting the object. For example, you take a picture of the muffin, it's already trained to identify object, so it will tell you that it's a muffin and cascading classifiers. In the end, it will tell you this is our final result part. So now we are going to be moving on to the coding part. So now as you can see, first of all, we will import our library called NumPy as NP. We're going to be using this library to detect the arrays. Now from Google Colab.patches import cv2 underscore imshow. And then we're going to import cv2. As I told you, this is the main library, the independent one, and all the other codes depend on it. So for this code to work, we're going to do face cascade is equal to cv2.cascade classifier. And inside the brackets, we're going to put data.harcasade. And in columns, we're going to put Harcasade frontal face default XML. So as you can see, this is the formula, means the code for Harcasade to work. There's another one which instead of face cascade is eyes cascade, the same code, but in the columns we have Harcasade underscore IXML. And now our face detection and eyes detection are both triggered and starting to work. So now we're going to read the image, which means save and store the image. So first of all, you click on this file folder and you click on this upload button, as you can see right over here. Then you're going to change it to a gray color. So you're going to use gray is equal to cv2.cvt color and color underscore bgr to gray. This is a function used to change any type of image to a gray one. And now we're going to show our gray image. So faces is equal to faces cascade detect multi-scale gray 1.3, 5. This is where the face detection actually gets started. Now we're going to be doing a for loops. So our image starts to detect. So for XYWH in faces, we're going to create a CV2 rectangle and IMG XYXWYH. This whole code over here is used to detect the face. We have Roy Gray. Roy Gray is used to detect the face, as I told you, and just for the eye as well. We're going to use eye, and for another for loop, we're going to add inside EX, EY, EW, and EH in eyes. So inside faces, we're also going to detect eyes, and we're also going to use Roy color, and in the end, we are going to print the image. As you can see over here, this is our grayscale image. If you scroll down, our face and eyes are both detected. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.